coin aficionados, and welcome to the Philinsing coin channel. Today's video is the smallest of all the Philippine coins, and so we're just going to put them all up in a little pile, and we'll go through them once upside down, so you don't know which one we're going to get to next. But let's start with two kind of more modern coins and bigger coins, and of course this is the big daddy of them all, the Jose Rizal 1 peso. The Jose Rizal 1 peso from 1974, and this thing is just huge. Now, some of the more modern 1 pesos are about this size, and that's the Andre Bonifacio 1 peso from 1991. And then as we go through, we'll look, and a lot of people say, well, what about that old 1 centavo coin? And if we look at the old 1 centavo coin, this one from 1958, we see that it is not as big as the 1 peso, but it's still bigger than all these other ones underneath. And what's next? Well, that will be the 10 centavo coin, and this one's from 1965, and that's a little bit smaller. And what's smaller than that? Well, how about the 1983 Melchora Alquino 5 centimo coin from the Flora and Fauna series? That's a little smaller. Anything smaller than that? Sure there is. The 10 centimo from 2014. Then there is this really interesting small one, and here it is here, the 1992 Juan Luna. And this coin is a 25 centimo, so it's a much higher value, but it's much smaller. And then we get even smaller, and this is the one many of you thought would be the smallest, and that is the Isang centimo, the 1 centimo Lapu-Lapu. But that's not the smallest of them all. The smallest of all the ones is, in fact, the modern coin. And that's the coin from, let's take a look at it, 1993. And it says Banco Central ng Pilipinas. And if we flip it over, we see that it is a 5 centimo coin, actually from 1998. Now, so why is it 93 and 98? Well, the Banco Central Filipinas produced a series, the BSP series, in 1993. But the actual date of this coin is 1998. So it's the coin with the hole in it, so we can see all of the other coins if we look right through the 5 centimo from 1998. And if we look at these, I also need to say that it's not the lightest of the coins. The lightest coin here is this coin right here. And it's this one. This is the aluminum 5 centimo. And it is bigger than the 5 centimo from 1998 in many ways. But it is about half the weight. So this one here weighs 1/2 of what this one does. And that's all we have today from the Philinsing Coin Channel. There's our smallest coins from the Philippines, and there are a bunch of small ones from a bunch of different years. If you like our videos, we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel and leave any comments you might have in the comment section. Boom.